This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background layer so you always have a fallback. This protects the original. Once done, use a quick selection tool, lasso, rectangular marquee, or pen to tightly trace around the text you want removed. Make sure the selection includes a little breathing room beyond edges of letters, because Photoshop needs surrounding pixels to blend. Then create a new layer above the duplicate. You'll work non-destructively here, which speeds up corrections and preserves original image data. You'll use content-aware fill as the primary method because it analyzes nearby pixels and generates a natural fill. Choose Edit Content-Aware Fill and inspect the sampling preview. If the result looks off, refine the sampling brush to exclude unwanted areas and tweak color adaptation and rotation settings. For repeating patterns or difficult textures, switch to the patch tool or a low-opacity clone stamp, sampling nearby clean areas and building the fill gradually. Make sure to zoom in to check seams and fine details. To finish, refine seams with the spot healing or healing brush tools. Sample a nearby clean texture and paint over small mismatches so transitions read as continuous. Then adjust levels or curves and color balance slightly to match the repaired area to its surroundings. Use dodge and burn sparingly to match local light. If something goes wrong, undo back to the duplicated layer and try manual cloning with lower opacity. This troubleshooting step recovers fine detail without starting over. Finally, save your PSD and export a flattened copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.